Hey Cougars, really wonderful job on your plant experiment for growing them for the past 2 weeks. Been really impressed by all the thoughtfulness and hard work you've been putting into taking care of another living thing for 2 weeks. Hopefully it was pretty fun for you. So what you're going to be doing now is you are going to be sharing your results on Flipgrid with myself and other students. So to do that, you can, and by the way, just as another option, if you prefer to just take pictures and send me those photos, you can do that, but as well. But if you're submitting a Flipgrid assignment, here's what you have to do. So what I'd like you to do is for you to very clearly show your plants. This was my plant number 1. I'd like you to make sure that you're saying the number of the plants and reminding us, the viewers, what you did with it, right? So this plant got water, it got soil, it got sunlight. I've noticed that it grew. So I want you to be showing your plant, saying what happened, and if you did something different, talk about that. Like some students, they put a little bit too much water in there, more than when the instructions say that in your explanation. Here's my plant number 4. How are they different? What are the results that are different? Like, for instance, I'm noticing plant number 1 has a little bit more grass than plant number 4, but they both grew. They're still growing. So that was my results from 2 of the cups. I'm not going to show all of them. The other thing I'd like you to do, just so I can make sure that you've been doing it, is I want you to show me your notebook. So start from the first page of the notebook that you did, which was this. Oops. It's pretty hard to show notebooks, huh? This one. Then show the next one. Make sure that it's clear for me to see. So it's okay, take your time showing it to me. And then I asked the older students to do one of these tables showing your response. Okay, kind of keeping track. And I didn't fill mine out. I want you to be keeping track of what happened every day. That's what I asked the older students to do. So I expect to see those. When you show us those results, talk through what happened. Did you forget to water any of the days? What went on? When did you first to start seeing some green? If you saw some green. You know, I had some students write a reflection about what they learned. Show that to me as well. I just want to be able to see all the different things. And you can also, please, talk about, in general, what you learned during this whole experiment. Oh, if you did plant number 5, something interesting, what did you do? What is something else you would like to try? Do you have an explanation for, like, maybe how a plant can grow without soil? How could you test your explanation? So just explain as much as you possibly can. And I look forward to seeing your videos or pictures. If you choose to email them to me, that's okay too. But if you do choose to email me just pictures, then I'd like you to maybe write out an explanation. You can take it, you don't have to type it all out. You can write it on your notebook, saying what you learned and all that stuff. Just include a picture with that. Okay? Okay, guys. Thank you and see you soon. Stay curious.